The Syndeia standalone client makes the digital thread intermodel connections available to all members of the engineering team. A SysML model is no longer the hub of all the intermodel connections, or even required at all. But this raises a new challenge. What defines the total system model, the collection of domain models and the connections between them, and distinguishes it from other system models? With Syndeia, this identity is captured in a digital thread project. In this video, we will show how to create a new project or select an existing project when the standalone client dashboard is launched. We start by double-clicking the syndeia.bat file in the standalone client folder. The first window that appears is titled Select or Create Digital Thread Project. This process requires that the standalone client have access to the Syndeia cloud server. To establish this initially, or to modify it later, we can access Syndeia settings directly from the initial screen by clicking the Settings button. Here we can set Select Primary Store to Cloud and enter protocol, hostname, port, username, and password. This information should be obtained from your Syndeia Cloud Administrator after being set up as a Syndeia Cloud user. Hit Enter after adding or updating each of these entries, and when complete, click Apply and close the window to return to the project selection. Syndeia 3.6 introduces access control for digital thread projects, in addition to global access control for Syndeia Cloud. Users will not automatically have access to all digital thread projects, as they had in earlier releases. When the user opens the standalone client, only the projects they have permission to view will appear. In video 1.5 in the introductory videos for the Syndeia web browser, we discuss who can create new projects, add users to existing projects, and create relations within those projects. The display of existing projects is paginated. Click the cloud icon to fetch more digital thread projects onto the table. If that icon is grayed out, all projects have been displayed. We also have buttons to search and refresh the table. We could choose an existing project and click OK to launch the Syndeia dashboard. But for this demonstration, we will create a new project by entering a name, key, and description. The project key is a unique string of up to 10 characters. When these fields are completed, click the Create New button. The project now appears as a new row in the table, which we can select, click OK, and the normal standalone client dashboard will be launched. Video 1.2 in this section will provide a brief tour of the features of the standalone client.